Good morning everyone, my name is Johnson Lai. I'm the Overseas Sales Director of HanGlory. We are very excited today to show you the mega factory of HanGlory Group. Now as you can see over here, this is our brand new factory with 3 blocks of building, and each block of building 5-story high with 25,000 square meters of working space. At the moment we have 1 factory which is operating now, and today we're going to show you the operation of our first brand new building. Now this is one of the factory floor we have here, and this will be our new beginning of HanGlory Group. And on the ground floor, as you can see over here, this is all the HanGlory products, bigger machines, which we are manufacturing over here at the moment. So now we are at floor 2, and this is the HanGlory machine manufacturing assembly. And on the right over here, this is our handshake machines, which is printing on PCB boards. So over here, you can see this is another section over here. On the left, you can see this is the HanGlory machines over on the left. And on the right hand side, this is the 2500 series of handweight products. So over here we are at level 3 of our building, and this is the assembling floor for hand-top machines. And HanGlory at the back of the place, at the back of the building. And look at the factory floor here. So over here we are at the 4th floor of our sand-top manufacturing floor, and you can see this is the screen printing machines for t-shirts. Same bigger space and a very brand new start. Here this is the assembling department for sand-top digital section, and as you can see the blue machines over here, this is the OEM manufacturing for M&R goods. So over here, the building behind me is our R&D department. With this R&D department, we have 7 floors up, and all the R&D people is going to work over here by the end of this year. So we have been showing you the sneak peek of our first operation factory on the third building. And by the end of this year, we'll start to operate the 2nd building and the 1st building over here. And by then, we'll have a massive operation starting. So after that, we'll show you a little bit more update on how we're going to operate in the future. Thank you very much.